We understand you and the guest, as DERBAL management team had a rich experience in hospitality.
DERBAL never stops exploring the best quality items to meet different requirements. We make sure each batch of production can help you elevate your guests' staying experience.
我们每年依据流行趋势发布自己的主题作品，不断地提高创新还有送达能力。在个性化服务上，我们具备柔性的生产能力，搭配物流还有仓储等服务，为酒店提供整体的解决方案。
In the world of hospitality, excellence is not an option. It's a standard. At DERBAL, we don't just meet expectations, we redefine them. For over past decade, DERBAL has been the trusted partner for hotels worldwide. From Southeast Asia to the Middle East, Africa to Europe, and beyond, we deliver a full spectrum of hotel solutions. Hotel OS&E, FF&E, customized branding, whatever you need. DERBAL is your Hotel OS&E and FF&E command center, backed by factory direct efficiency and zero minimum orders. While others diversify, we dedicate. Hospitality is all we do. What you see is what you get. No hidden gaps, no surprises. Ready to transform your hotel's potential? Partner with DERBAL, where global standards meet relentless execution. Let's build excellence together.
Community because of love and trust. DERBAL, dedicated to the best hotel supply.